The next spanner type you will learn about are the socket spanners. Socket spanners are very similar to ring spanners in that they grip a fastener on the corners, providing a good, positive grip for powerful turning. Each socket contains a square hole, into which fits one of a number of attachments, such as this T-bar or T-handle, to provide the turning force. Other attachments normally provided in the set include a ratchet handle, a speed brace, and 2 extensions. Socket spanners are used extensively where many fasteners are being attended to, or where accessibility is limited. There are also various types of socket kits, which include light-duty sets of 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive designation, medium-duty sets of 1/2 inch drive designation, and heavy-duty sets of 3/4 and 1 inch drive designation. The most commonly used type is the medium-duty set. This has a drive size of 1/2 inch, or in metric terms, 12,5 millimeters. As you move into your specific trade, you will use various spanners that best suit the type of work you are doing. But common to most trades is this special spanner known as an Allen key. Allen keys are used to turn special Allen screws containing recessed heads. Allen keys may be of ordinary design or socket-driven. The last spanner we shall discuss is the adjustable spanner, often known as a shifting spanner. The main feature of this spanner is the adjustable jaw, which can be moved to fit many sizes of fasteners. It must be stressed that adjustable spanners are designed for emergency use, when there is no other spanner available. Adjust the jaws so that they contact the fastener's flat surfaces snugly. To avoid slipping and possible injury, position the spanner in such a way that the movable jaw is on the same side as the direction of pull. When we return, you will learn about the various sizes of spanners.